everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to follow one of my inspiration, one of my idols in makeup industry, and also she has a makeup line, a eye palette, a bunch of lip kits, and also lashes, where she started and well known in the beauty industry. Her name is Huda Katan. She's an Iraqi American. So for today, I'm going to try to follow Huda Katan's most popular look, her signature look, which I really love how she blends everything. She has this flawless natural look, so let's give it a try.
I already applied my brows because that does take a little bit of time.
Okay, so basically I also did my brows.
The first thing I'm going to do after I do my brows is I like to start with my eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab the Huda Beauty Rose Gold henna and sandalwood. They're like my favorite go-to.
So she chose henna and sandalwood. Apparently I don't have the same palette, but I have also her other palette, which is from the Brown Obsession palette.
I just like to do that. I feel like you don't really necessarily need to put a primer. Sometimes if you have dark circles, you can make your dark circles work for you, like eyeshadow. And that's what I like to do. My dark circles are helping me enhance my shadow. I just started using them recently. I got them on Beautylish. I really like them. They're not cheap, but they are worth every penny. So I'm just applying the powder all over. You can see I haven't completely blended it. I just like to create like a little bit of smokiness here. And this is like really great for daytime, nighttime. And I am blending it on the brow bone a little bit, but I will blend it a little bit more later on. The most important thing is to apply an even amount of eyeshadow on the base here. So next I'm just gonna do something really simple. Sometimes I go with just this look by itself, and sometimes I add more to it. I am gonna add more to it right now. I'm gonna mix Angelic and Moondust, and I love these shades too. This is just like a really simple everyday look, and I like it because it's not over the top. And I'm just putting them on my lid. And I'm using the MAC 239 brush. This is a shorter travel version. It's really great for pressing pigment. So I am patting the product on the lid, and then I'm kind of going back and forth to blend. So it's almost like very fast patting. And I'm just putting on the lid, so I'm actually shaping the lid a little bit. Not a cut crease. I'm not really too into the cut crease. I love it, but I feel like it's very over the top, so I like to keep it.
Okay, next, eyeliner. I'm using this eyeliner from Dior.
So you do kind of want to take your time. You don't want to make any mistakes. And the felt tip isn't that small either, so you do want to be really slow with that.
"12 seconds later. 6.5 hours later. 2,000 years later."
Pretty much done with the eyeliner.
I'm just gonna apply a little mascara. This is the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. I love it because the brush is awesome and it's so black. Okay, so I am gonna take my favorite pair of lashes.
That's where she goes in. I'm also using her glue product. It's Huda Beauty Lash Glue, but these lashes are from NYX, so there.
Apply as much glue as the thick.
She's the pro from eyelashes. So I'm using NYX lashes. It's called Rumor. So let's give it a try. I should say it might be.
Let them just like lay them on my lash bed, and then push them into place. Applying the Smashbox primer oil all over my face. I already applied a layer, but I'm gonna apply one more.
Okay, for the foundation, I don't have any Huda Beauty foundation, but I have my favorite foundation from Lancome, so I'm going to put it on.
On the brush, you can really use a beauty blender afterwards to blend the product.
Concealer, I'm using MAC.
And I'm just gonna apply it underneath the eyes. This is just to add a little bit of highlight. I'm gonna apply a small amount on the chin as well, just for contouring. Blend out. And then I'm moving on to the under eye, those are my cheeks. And I'm just...
So this is my highlighter since
and I'm gonna apply a small amount on my cheekbones here. And sometimes if I don't want glowy gold, and I'm just gonna put it on my eyelid to give it a little bit. Okay, next I'm gonna use the Lorac bronzer. I like to use any bronzer I have. The Hula from Benefit is really great as well. The Victoria Beckham bronzer, really whatever bronzer is in front of me. Under sandalwood, and I'm only using sandalwood this time. And I'm just going to apply a nice amount along. Finish that off with a little bit of mascara.
Okay, so since I don't have also her lip liner, I'm using from Makeup Forever Aqua Lip in the shade of 2C.
Maybe you guys have seen I like to do like this little bit of X right here. So, and I'm just kind of correcting the lip overall. And I'm filling it in slightly, but not too much. Girlfriend, and this is kind of like a creamy nude, like it's almost like a skin color, and I'm applying it all over. And I have a really light, kind of very light corally pastel kind of nude. I'm gonna apply a little bit of beige in there too, just to make it perfect color. And I'm just going to take it along the side of the nose now. And I'm just gonna take whatever's left on my brush too. And this is it.
This is the look that pretty much that I did everything what Huda is doing in the tutorial. So this is her signature look. Apparently my lips are so dry, so you can see some of the part has been cracked, but definitely I really love her look because what she did is all more natural colors, and basically she's more into lashes. So I'll just give a look. I love it. Alright ladies, I'll see you on my next video.